Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did this ponytail. I'm actually going to be recreating a style that I've done before. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so I get notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. I saw this picture of Amara La Negra on Instagram and she did this really nice ponytail and stuff. So I'm like, I want to do that. I really want to do that style. And then I was trying to think of how I would do the style. And then I remembered I had done something that looked like that before. Well, not exactly like that, but it's still in that whole ponytail family. So I was like, okay, let me just find a way to combine both. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing in this video. But the only problem is the hair that I have is red. And I got this hair, like when they were trying to send hair to me, I told them I wanted red because I thought I was going to do like individual locks. But I don't have the strength to do individual locks, and it's actually crochet hair, but I don't want to do crochet. I haven't done actual crochet, like regular crochet, in a very long time because crochet tends to break off your edges. So I really didn't want to do crochet. So I was trying to figure out how I would incorporate that hair and do this style. And I eventually came up with something. But like I said, that hair is red and my hair is black, so I don't know how it's going to look. Anyways, I'm still going to use it like that. And I hope it doesn't look too crazy. So let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so let's start with the sectioning. So you're going to do a portion in front of your head, like in a triangle shape. Use the end of your eyebrow to basically gauge it. So just do a little triangle from the middle of your head down to the sides of your temples. So next you're going to do a section right through the middle of your head from ear to ear. Make sure that the line passes through the middle of your head from one ear to the other. Next you are going to split your hair down the back from the middle of your head down to the back. So you're going to have a left side and a right side after you do that. So just split it from the middle of your head down to the back. And you're going to split the left and the right side into 3 sections each. So from the middle of your head down, make 3 sections on the right side and do the same thing to the left side from the middle of your head down, to make 6 sections at the back. Now for the front portion, you're also going to split that into 3 as well. So the hair that you have left in front, split it 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. So those are the parts I'm working in. Okay, so that's basically how you do the parts. If there's any part of that that was difficult to understand, just ask me down below and I'll try my best to explain. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done my flat twist in all the sections. I just have 2 left. Like I said, I've done this style before. I'm just recreating it with the crochet hair. So I'm gonna link, actually you can click at the top if you want to see my previous video if you want a more in-depth tutorial. But yeah, I'm just moisturizing my hair now before I do my flat twist, my remaining 2 flat twists going up. So I'm just doing the flat twist. The previous video I did this style, I only used my natural hair, but this one I just wanted to do a ponytail, so I'm adding the ponytail to the style. So altogether I have about 12 flat twists going upwards. 12 flat twists that are going to connect to the ponytail. So these are my flat twists going up. If you don't know how to flat twist, you can watch a tutorial on YouTube that teaches how to flat twist, or let me know if you guys want me to do a flat twisting tutorial, because I know a lot of styles that I do have flat twists and not everyone knows how to flat twist. So if you want me to do a tutorial, definitely let me know and I will try my best to do that. So I'm moisturizing the front, the triangle portion that we did in front. I'm about to do that now, and I'm also going to be doing flat twist there as well. So you want to split it down the middle. and then you split each of the sides. So you split the left side into two and split the right side into two. I'm starting with the left side first. I'm gonna split it into two portions. I'm gonna be doing 4 flat twists coming forward to form bangs. And also make sure you separate the pieces before you flat twist, like I showed you guys in my other video. It's much easier if you separate pieces before you flat twist. It helps to reduce breakage, helps to reduce damage, and it just makes your flat twisting much easier. You can click the eye at the top, and if you didn't see that video, you can click the eye at the top to watch that video so you know what I'm talking about when I say separate the pieces before you flat twist. So that's what I'm doing right now, separating my pieces, then I'm gonna flat twist. So these are 2 flat twists. And now I have 4. So these are my 4 flat twists coming forward. If your hair is long, I'm going to show you how to shorten it to make bangs. But yeah, these are all my flat twists, the ones coming forward and the ones going upwards at the back. So next you're going to take a hair tie and do a bun. Make sure that you make the bun as small and as compact as possible. If you have a lot of hair, wrap it around so it's really small. Make sure it's very compact. You don't want it too big. So next, this is the crochet hair I'm going to be using. Is the Janet Collection Maverick Locs, 24 inches in color burgundy. This is how it looks. It's pretty long, and this is like a very gorgeous summer style if you want to do locks or full locks or anything like that. And this is also the latch hook I'm going to be using to attach the crochet hair to my own hair. So I'm just taking out the pieces. There are about 10 in a pack, and you can also dip this in hot water as well to curl it if you want a curlier look. As you can see, it comes with the loop for you to do the crochet, so it just makes everything much easier. So now okay, so right now I'm taking out 2 of the twists. I did this because I thought I was going to need those 2 pieces to blend in with my hair, but I ended up not needing it, so you can skip this part. You really don't need to do this part at all. So this is the latch hook. You can get it at your local beauty supply store or on Amazon. So you're going to insert the latch hook into your hair. Be careful when you're doing this. Sometimes it might snag, but just be careful to make sure that you're not ripping out your hair. Then you put the crochet hair, the lock, on the latch hook. Close the latch hook and just slide it out. It looks easy as I'm doing it, but I'm warning you, sometimes it can snag. The latch hook can snag. If the latch hook snags your hair, close the latch hook before you pull it out. Don't pull it out when it's open because it will pull out your hair some more. Make sure you close it before you pull out the latch hook, and do it gently so that you don't rip out your own hair. So I'm just going to be doing that around my bun, just attaching the pieces, attaching the locks to my bun until it is full enough. I ended up using exactly 4 packs. So depending on how full you want the ponytail, that would determine how many packs you use. So I'm coming up close to show you guys. So as you can see, the latch hook is open. You put the lock on the latch hook, you close it, then slide it out. Do not slide it out when it's open. Make sure you close it first before you slide it out so that you do not rip out your hair. Then pass the lock through the loop, and just secure it, and that is it. So I have about 4 pieces left. This is literally what I have left, and I'm just going to put those pieces into my hair. And as you can see, those 2 twists that I took out, I ended up not needing them, so I'm just going to tuck them back in and just crochet over them. So this is 4 packs used to do the ponytail. So that's about 40 pieces. That's exactly 40 pieces. I'm just finishing it up. Filling up the back as well. So this is how my ponytail is looking. I have a mirror behind me and in front of me, so that helps me see what I'm doing. If you look over to the side, to the left side, you see the mirror, my back mirror. So you're gonna take 3 pieces and just use it to wrap around, just like that. Wrap around the ponytail so that it looks cleaner and nicer. This would have looked even better if I had used 1B burgundy, but I thought I was going to do individuals, so I just got regular burgundy. But this is how it looks though. So if you're going to do this with black or something like that, it will look so nice. So now for the front, since my hair is long and I want bangs, I'm just going to do bantu knots at the end to make the twist shorter. Just like I did the first time I did this hairstyle with my own hair. So that is basically the final thing. It's actually very easy and very quick to do. The crochet doesn't take a long time at all. The part that might be difficult to do is the flat twist. But if you can flat twist, you should be good. So I went ahead and put in some hair jewelry and did my makeup, and this is the final look. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried these locks before, or full locks or goddess locks or anything like that. And don't forget guys, they have other colors on their website. So there's black, burgundy, 1B30, color 30. They have so many colors. I chose red because I thought I was going to do individual locks before, but I changed my mind at the last minute. I wanted to do a ponytail, so that is why I have a red ponytail right now. But yeah, they have different colors, so definitely check out the website so that you can see all the colors that they have. I don't know, I actually really like the way this thing turned out. I mean, it would have been a bit nicer if it was black, but I still like it with the red because red is my favorite color. I feel like it's very appropriate for summer, very, very colorful, and I like color. Let me know if you had preferred me to use black, because I know some people don't like very loud colors like that. All the stuff I use, the hair, everything is going to be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe button down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.